guys, welcome to another video. So today we've had a couple of parcels arrive from Madam Glam. Ooh. Should we have a look, see what's in them? This first one we have got, Madam Glam's new pressed pigment palettes. So they brought out 2 new pigment palettes. This is the first one. Ooh, they're pretty. I like them. I really like these 2 shimmery ones. 3 shimmery ones actually. They're nice. They're very pretty. And then we've got this one, which is more brighter colours. Some really nice autumn colours there as well though, isn't there? Quite like this mauvey sort of colour. Green's very autumny. Yeah, I like them. I'm not going to bother swatching them, guys, because you can see exactly what they look like. But I am going to use a couple of the colours in the design, what I want to do today. So you will see me using them and see what they look like to apply. So we've got those. And next we have got some of Madam Glam's new October collection. Look at that. I like the look of that. That's really unusual as well. So this one's called the Moon House, Fairy Dust, Vibrancy and Nova. So I'm going to get them swatched quickly first because I want to take a look at what they look like once they're swatched. Already got my swatch sticks labelled already. So let's get them swatched very quickly, and then I want to do a design using some of the products. So the name of this new October collection is called House of Mystery. We've gone back to the old bottles, which I do prefer, to be honest. So you get your 15ml in your glass bottles, you got your swatch on the top, the name on the bottom. You've also got your ingredients and your directions on the back. All Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and hema-free. Really good quality gels. So everything that I'm showing you today is available on the Madam Glam website right now. I have got a new discount code for you guys as well, which is GG35. So you used to be able to get 30% off, but now you can get 35% off your old order. I just want to apologise as well, guys, as to why I have not been uploading much this week. As you can probably hear by my voice, I have been so poorly with a chest infection, and I'm not really over it, but I'm feeling a bit better today than what I have been, and I really wanted to get these Madam Glam goodies out. I've got some blooming fluff in there. Okay. It's a really nice autumny colour, isn't it? It's like a pistachio-y kind of green. It's quite pretty, that is. Madam Glam gels cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. Next one is Nova. It's a really nice cream colour, isn't it? I like that. Right, so now we're on to the glittery ones. So these are not actually gel polishes, they are a no wipe top gel. It's called a tortoise shell no wipe top coat. Again, you get your 15ml, name on the bottom. So this one is called the Moon House. Now with these glittery ones, I like to swatch the inside of the swatch stick. Like that. Ooh, that's a really unusual one. Look at that. It's like jelly orange, and then it's got little black bits in it. It's got fine gold in it. I've not got anything like that. Oh, come on, camera. Yeah, it's really unusual. Not got anything like that. I like it. And then this one is called Fairy Dust. I think this one is going to be my favourite. Oh yeah, I like it. Look at that. I really like that. So this one's got the black bits in it, like shards. It's got silver tiny shards in it. It's got gold, it's got bronze. Oh wow, and it's like a creamy white gel. That is beautiful. So like I said, these glittery ones are a no wipe top coat, so they cure without a tacky layer. And actually, that glitter sits really flat. I'm really surprised actually, because there's a lot going on in that. I was expecting it to be really lumpy bumpy, but it's not. I really like that one. This one's not so much my kind of colour, but it's still really cool and unusual, isn't it? Yeah, they're cool. So we have got, let's have a quick look at them. And then I'm going to get set up and we're going to do some kind of, I'm thinking a kind of autumny abstract design. That's what these colours are screaming out to me right now. So we've got Vibrancy, Nova, the Moon House and a Fairy Dust. Yeah, they're really cool. So, I think I'm going to do a design on the red iguana hand today. So I'm going to get set up and I shall pop back in once we're ready to go. Pulled out Madam Glam's Louse, which is actually their rubber base coat. I use this quite a lot as a base colour. It's one of my favourite Madam Glam bases. And I'm going to apply a full coat of that to all 4 tips.
I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got me good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Give them a cure. So to start with, I'm going to use Fairy Dust and I'm going to paint 2 French tips. One on this pointer finger and one on the pinky. I'm just going to quickly tidy that up with my Madam Glam striping brush. Right, so they are cured. Now we're on to these 2 middle nails and we're going to be doing some abstract. So background, I'm just going to do little splodges of Vibrancy. A little bit of Nova. Just going to do a little blob of Fairy Dust. give them a cure quickly. We're going to add a couple of little flakes of gold leaf. I really want to add a little bit of, I'm not sure whether to go for the orange, because that orange is going to go quite well with these little bronzy bits. But I really like this purple colour. Oh, I don't know what to do. I quite like this teal sort of colour as well. Whichever one I go for, they really need to be applied over a white anyway. You always get the best effect if it's applied over a white. But I'm hoping that I might get away with using this Nova. Like I say, I only want a tiny bit. So I'm just going to give that a cure. So I've decided to go with the purple. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Let's get that all sealed in now, shall we? So I'm going to seal that in with Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. So, like Unpolished by Aggie did, I'm going to go around the smile lines with a gold Madam Glam gel paint, but I'm going to use the gold chrome. I think Aggie used the gold gel paint.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do.
Right, now we're going to do the little abstract designs. And I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's black gel paint.
We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I were safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down?
Right, so that's where we have got to so far. Give those a cure. Right guys, we are now almost finished. All I want to do is a couple of little dots running around this nail bed. A couple of little dots running around this nail bed, and I just want to add some crystals. I've already got my crystals out, as you can see over there. So let's just get these black dots done first. So we're just using the Madam Glam black gel paint. I'm just going to go dot, 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 like that. So there we have it, guys. That is them all finished. What do you think? I think they're really cute. Considering they're abstract, I don't mind them, you know, because I'm not a massive fan of abstract nails. Whenever I do abstract nails, they never seem to turn out how I want them to. So, yeah, I'm not too mad with them. I think they're alright. They're alright. So let's have a quick look at them swatches again, very, very quickly. So we've got Vibrancy, Nova, the Moon House, and Fairy Dust. That Moon House is really unusual, isn't it? With the like jelly orange in the background. I do like that Fairy Dust though. I think that's well smart. Really, really unusual. I likes it a lot. So that is Madam Glam's brand new October collection, guys, called House of Mystery. Again, like I said earlier, I have got a brand new Madam Glam discount code for you guys, which is no longer a 30% discount code. It is now a 35% discount code. You'll see it's in the top right hand corner of the screen, GG35. I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with the link to the Madam Glam website. So if anyone wants to have a little look on over there and save yourself some coinage, you can do. Oh, I forgot about these as well. We've also got the new Madam Glam palettes. Oh, I've got nowhere to put these now, have I? Shoot. Yeah, they're going to have to go like that. A little bit messy, but at least you can still see them. So yeah, that is everything for today's video, guys. I will be doing more things with these palettes. I'm planning on doing a little YouTube short with these actually today. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. I want to show you a really quick, easy, simple design you can do using these pigments. So yeah, that's everything for today's video, guys. I just want to apologise again for the lack of videos what I've been putting out this past week. But as you can probably hear from my breathing, my chest has been so bad. I've been so poorly. But onwards and upwards, I'm starting to feel better. That's the main thing. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.